Hi folks, out on St. Johns River system. I'd rather not be out here today with this wind, but I set some crab traps yesterday morning. I got to go get them, regardless of whether it's bumpy or not. May not be too bad, but we'll find out here in a minute. Let's go get her done. Trim down past the manatee zone sign. Get my GPS's locked in here. Depth finder. Alright, we got our position. Of course, I keep this boat ramp marked. Alright, let's go get her done. They are on GPS. We're going to try to stay to keep the nose of the boat into the wind. It's going to make it a lot easier to grab them. I have my homemade like rope hook right here, so I'm going to ease up to them. We'll grab the first one, we'll pull it up and see if we got anything. Now hopefully this commercial crabber that's been in here didn't mind that I put these as close as I did to his set. He don't own the water, okay? It's not like he leases a spot or anything. I don't know which way the rope is laying right now. It's probably laying back into the wind. Yeah, it is. So this hook's gonna make it a lot easier to grab your rope. And I see all three of them out there. So we'll go ahead, pull this bad boy up, see what we got, if anything. And I don't got a nibble, and my bait is all still there, so I'm gonna leave that alone for right now. Probably gonna have the same issue with the rest. So let's go pull the other ones. If we got nothing, we'll move them up shallower. Didn't want to do that because we got a line up there already, but we'll find a place. Right. Coming up on number 2. Say running over number 2. Try that again. This wind is not helping the cause. May be out too deep. I got a freaking giant one in that one. Nice one right there. And I got a catfish. turn the catfish go. Let me get my bin. This is one of my smaller traps too. Open it up like that, flip it over. Let you guys out. Again, I think I'm gonna keep it on board since I got plenty of bait. Turn into kind of a mess if you're not, when you got a small boat like this. Roll this cork up. That's a pretty big one right there. Hopefully we have good luck with the next one. Get it. Alright, let's see if we did any better with this one. We got a mating pair in here. So we got a male and a female, and they're breeding. I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, I hate to interrupt you guys, but we're gonna eat. So again, it makes me wonder whether I should move these or move them slightly, or what to do. Still got plenty of bait, so I'm gonna keep it on board, and I'm gonna assess real quick. We'll assess what spot's doing the best. So far it's just meh. And I got two more on the other side of the bridge. I'll have to idle a little ways to get there. Those are up shallower. Looks like the other thing we got in here is baby stone crabs. You can see that guy or not. There he is. Little baby. I've got a couple of them running around the floor in here. Shook out of the traps.